From Mentor English, Professor M. Raza. Today, dear students, we are gonna talk about and explore the brain. And we have Urdu channel by the name of Murshid Urdu. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. The brain. The brain. Parietal lobe. The middle part of the brain. The parietal lobe helps a person identify objects. Now, dear kids, dear students, now you tell me what is the function of parietal lobe. Okay. Next part is occipital lobe or occipital lobe. The occipital lobe is the back part of the brain that is involved with vision. Now you tell me, dear students, what is the function of occipital lobe or occipital lobe? Next part is cerebellum. The cerebellum plays a role in motor movement, regulation, and balance control. Cerebellum. Now you tell me, dear students, dear kids, what is the function of cerebellum? Okay. Now we are talking about spinal cord. The spinal cord's main purpose is to carry nerve signals throughout our body. Now you tell me what is the function of spinal cord, dear students, dear kids. Okay. Temporal lobe. Temporal lobes are involved in short-term memory, speech, musical rhythm, and some degree of smell recognition. Okay. Now you tell me. Next part is frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is the part of the brain that controls high-level cognitive skills and primary motor functions. So these are the parts of the brain. Now we explore the brain particularly. Now, dear kids, dear children, dear students, rewind the lecture again and again and read it again. And also subscribe Professor M. Raza, our English channel, and our Urdu channel by the name of Murshid Urdu, Professor M. Raza. Thanks for watching. Let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.